Alright, so the narration is, this is the Subaru, and that is the broken boss, I'll call it, that the sending unit's supposed to thread into. What we're going to try is we're going to try to get into that galley, which is a 6mm hole. I'm going to tap that and put this piece that I made in there and see if we can make her work. I went ahead, and this being a 6mm hole, that's a little big for a 1/4 inch tap to go into, but I did it with a 1/4 28 so I'd have fine threads, and I went down far enough with this piece that it's going to thread in and it's going to secure. I used the Permatex anaerobic surface prep. This stuff's amazing if you've never used it, and I've prepped my surfaces, cleaned and prepped. So this guy is going to thread down into that galley, and then I bored this, and we're going to put the sending unit in here. That's a 1/8 inch pipe thread's what the sending unit uses, and I'll prep that and seal it too. So we're in that waiting period right now, letting this prep cure, and then we're going to put it together. Alright, so here's the finished product. We've got that switch down into the top, and here you can see where I've made the entrance. It threads down enough, and hopefully the Permatex products, which yeah, I did a little overkill, but hopefully we're going to let it set up and we're not going to have any leaks. Maybe we have a repair on our hands. We'll have to build some oil pressure and some heat and go from there. Not bad so far. We've been running about 30 minutes. Good temperature on the engine. I've cleared all the codes, and code that we were fighting to begin with is now gone with the new switch. So we're getting the oil pressure up there. Time will tell, but I'm hoping this is a legit fix that keeps us from buying a cylinder head.